Hey guys, so a few days ago I decided to make my first ever order from Everlane and my package just arrived, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. Well, actually it arrived yesterday, but I picked it up this morning. And so here it is. You got this really cute packaging actually. It's like a little envelope with the Everlane logo, basically just like a sans serif font. Looks nice. Let's open it up. Oh, let me tell you what I got. So I decided to order a t-shirt, a long sleeve t-shirt, because I don't really have many of those. And I decided to order it in white because I also don't really buy light colored shirts. So I decided to try something new. And so here it is. Okay. Boom. Nice. I ordered a size medium. Normally I wear medium in t-shirts, so I decided, try to go true to size, and we'll see how the sizing is. This costed $20, which was not bad, and it was also my first order, so the shipping was free. Yeah, I'm gonna go try this dude on, and we'll see how it fits. Be back in a couple seconds. Hey guys, so I'm back and I changed into the new t-shirt. Honestly, I feel like it's a pretty nice fit. I really like the sleeve length. It goes right to my wrist and the neck feels nice, and also like the length of the shirt is pretty good. I'll show you guys. It actually exceeded my expectations and it feels pretty nice too. My only concern is that the material is a little bit thin and I'm kind of afraid that it's a little see-through. But other than that, I feel like it's really nice. If you are concerned about being thin, I guess just get a color that's not white. I feel like it's only an issue because it's white and my skin is a little dark. I feel pretty good about this purchase, and maybe I'll consider ordering more stuff from Everlane in the future. If you guys have ordered from Everlane before, let me know what you guys like and maybe I'll check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.